After you're using a filter for department to find more related keywords, you can of course use all the different filters beneath that. The brand, maybe the cloth sizes, or whatever Amazon is showing as a specific filter on the left side. So let's stay at that example with the clothes, and we have seen the normal search intents around the non-filtered keyword, and let's start with just filtering in a specific department, let's say sports and fitness, and we want to see the XXL large clothes and the small clothes, and just have a look on the details here. What we are seeing are different words around combat clothes, paintball, sport, fighting, typical man sports and man hobbies, and you see it here all the time: man, fingerless, lightweight, fingerless, lifting gloves, full finger, and all the different sports typical for big hands, and a typical XXL large. Amazon SEO optimization, also of course for the advertising tactics, absolutely sensible to use that specific keywords. If you have a combat cloth in a specific size, small, you need completely different optimization standards. Of course, in that specific size, it's a typical women part. Okay, you see it directly here, specific namings, and of course our typical names. It's more into fitness and combined with women, training clothes, and so you're finding more and more specific, relevant, related keywords. You can also use a specific filter on the left, for example, the clothes target audience. You have to fill that information in your backend. And if you have a look at the child, it seems to be more exercise clothes, full finger workout, and a lot of our special search information the customer is giving you by using our words in that specific part of filter using on the left. Here, for example, also it's typical price filter, $25 to $50, and we are seeing complete our names, completely our search intents behind it, and you can use them for you. You can have a look on that, how they are using it in the specific price point, and so on. And last but not least, I've just used the filter yoga. You see here there are not so many related keywords. I really don't know what a yoga cloth is. Okay, we're seeing it here. Oh, maybe it's the next big niche around Amazon. And you see what they are searching for, what they are using it for, of course, yoga, for example. And so you can go step by step through every synonym you will entering, or every search engine result page you have a look on, while using the features on the left side to filter your specific product range to a specific customer audience. With the department, we have shown that on another video, and of course with all the other filters you can use on the left side.